My name is Shioko Innocent Mundlovu. I'm a creator and a writer, and in the process of learning how to design my own manga. So my vision is to be an entrepreneur and invest, build an AI-assisted script production business, right? A big brand, basically. So behind the scenes story of how I create my characters, right? So how I create my characters, I've 5 simple steps that I follow, which you can follow even if you're not an artist. But if you're an artist, it works, right? So, uh, basically, I use three ways, right? So there's the writing part, there's AI using part, and then there's saving the information part, which is important because you can't lose the information. I mean, it's very important after you done the work, right? So I use 5 simple steps, right? So step one is the idea, right? Before you start with anything, you gotta have an idea of what you want to do, right? So with a character, I already have an idea, right? For now, I have an idea prepared, right? So water ability, right? So I want to create a character who can use water ability, right? So that's the idea, right? The idea is a character who can use water ability. Then move to the next step. What type of character? So understand this question. Understand this question nicely. What type of character? It means the word part identifies a gender, race, age, and features that identify the character. So for me, I think, okay, gender, I'm gonna choose women, right? So a female water type character, right? Okay. Age, I'm gonna choose 20 in the 20s, right? Because in the 20s, right? So and also the third step, what makes them special, right? So mostly if you look at this, every anime and movie and series or TV show or anything else, they have a main character. Main character has something the characters don't have. That's what makes them special. So it's important for you, if you're creating a character, to make them special. Even though they're not a main character, a side character has to have something the other characters don't have, right? And mostly if you want the character to be the loved one, like the one people really love, right? In this context, I'm talking about characters like Naruto and uh Gojo, I mean Goku, stuff like that. So people like that. We love people. We love characters like that, right? Because we resonate with them, right? So your characters has to have something special, right? Something that people resonate with. So the fourth step is take your information to ChatGPT, right? Or use other AI apps, right? So for me, I use Chat because for me it's simpler and it helps me do things efficiently. So I take them to Chat and I say, Chat, help me edit this character. Here's the information. I Mostly I write it on my phone, so I just copy and paste it. So then Chat really does all the work, and then I ask Chat, generate an image, anime style, comic style, or realistic style. Then it does that, generates the image for you, and basically gets the job done for you. So after that, remember that part I said, you take that information, you save it. Mostly I prefer to save it as a PDF, so it's simpler to like look for it, right? So that's how I create my character in a process, right? That's how I'd say, if you like to create a character either for just for fun or for your anime, for your story, just try it out and see if it works, and comment below on what type of topics do you want me to talk about next. So follow me on this journey and let's join the community of the Bloodline Bond, and also support, follow, comment, because it's gonna be epic. Peace.